For we meet in an hour of change and challenge, in a decade of hope and fear, in an age of both knowledge and ignorance. The greater our knowledge increases, the greater our ignorance unfolds.
Now it is time to take longer strides. Time for a great new American enterprise. Time for this nation to take a clearly leading role, may hold the key to our future on Earth.
Our obligations to ourselves, as well as others, all require us to make this effort, to solve these mysteries, to solve them for the good of all men.
The facts of the matter are that we have never made the national decisions or marshaled the national resources required for such leadership. We have never specified long-range goals on an urgent time schedule or managed our resources in our time so as to ensure their fulfillment.
Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.